Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system settings, language and region, language, in the language section tap other language, and here you have to select any of these languages which you have available, the one that fits you best. I'm just gonna select the best language of all, Ukrainian of course. Yes, please. And as you can see, after that language changes to Ukrainian immediately. So if you want to change it back to English, you go to the налаштування, then to параметри системи, мова та введення, мова і регіон, and select English. You have to drag it on top by holding down your finger here and then drag it like this. And then tap змінити на англійська. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.